Understanding affiliate marketing and how to make it work for you. If you're on the hunt for a profitable business opportunity, you might just be interested in affiliate marketing. It's simple enough to understand, but you would be surprised at just how many people get things wrong when marketing. Pay attention to the information in this video. It just might help choose your next business opportunity. Make a unique web page for each affiliate product. Write relevant and helpful information about the product for your visitors to read. If you focus a page on a single product, you can target a specific audience that is already interested in the subject. It also makes tracking much easier. To maintain a sterling reputation, it's important that you only enter affiliate marketing programs with affiliates you can stand behind. Evaluate your potential affiliates carefully and avoid any that you cannot support with full enthusiasm. Visitors to your website will use your choice of affiliates to inform their opinion of you, so whatever you do, avoid connecting your visitors to shady dealers and scam artists. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. Now, no amount of solid information can save your affiliate business on its own. It also takes the right actions by you, the business owner. Just remember that affiliate marketing is a legitimate business, and that you need to approach it as such. Failing to take it seriously and treating it as a gimmick will result in ultimate failure. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.